Okay, now that we've talked a little bit about the importance of the pass statement, we'll talk a little bit about how powerful DOS is and some of the automation you can use with it. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to make a batch file, and we're going to do that. We're going to set up a new directory. We're to use the make directory command. We'll call it bat. Now we're going to change to that directory using a cd. Okay, so we're in the bat directory that we just made. Now we're going to put a command in here where we're going to copy the console and we're going to put it in a file called dfrag4. You can just call it dfrag though. And we got it, very important, we got to put the BAT extension on it. Okay? Very important. So now when we click enter, it's going to save whatever we put in into that file. So we're going to type a DOS command dfrag, whoops, in the C drive. We're going to force it with a -F. We're going to make it be verbose, so it's going to tell us a lot of information. And we're going to put that in the C:/bat file. Okay. Now you may not need this next line, but I have a D drive, so I'm going to do that at the same time using the force it. What's force it mean? I don't know if you run dfrag or not. If you haven't, you should try it. But it'll kind of assess it first and tell you whether it needs it or not. So I don't care whether it needs it or not. I want it to do it. So I put the -F. Verbose. And instead of using one slash, we'll use two and :bat. Now we'll go to the next line. And to finish this, we put in Control-Z and then enter. Okay? So if we do a directory listing, we should see it there, and sure enough, this is this dfrag4 right there. Okay. The reason we did it like this with 1 and then 2, this one makes the file if it's not there, and it'll put it in a bat. It'll make a bat file in the C directory. We probably should have put it in the bat directory, but we didn't. What we did was we just put it in a file. It's going to be on the C drive, and it's just going to be bat. We probably should have put it. The way we probably should have done it was put C:/bat/dfrag.txt. Probably would have been better. But this will make a file called bat in the C directory, and then this will append these two greater than signs. Will append it. So if it runs like tonight, it'll make the file, and even if the file's there, it'll write over it. So all the information will be lost after this first line executes. The second one is going to just append the output of the second line to the end of that first one. So every night when this runs, this first command will start out making a new file, and the second with two greater than signs will append it to that. So